how to pay a Shopee using GCash. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to pay a Shopee using GCash. First of all, open your Shopee account. Once the website loads, click on your username. This will take you to your account page. Look for the option that says My Account and click on it. On the account page, find and click on the option that says Banks and Cards. From there, you can choose to pay with your credit or debit card. To add a new card, click on Add New Card. Fill in the required card details, such as the card number, expiry date, and name on the card. That's it. You can now pay on Shopee using GCash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.